Yeah, gang. So
Expect some new faces.
yeah, so right there, if you are an Ipswich fan, if you are a Coventry City fan, you know what it is. Welcome to the Premier League. Yeah, where it all goes to the top. You can win your way to the league, you can find your way to relegation again. So will be a major try, guys, for Coventry City pia. Ni one of those teams wamekaakaa bila kuja ligi possibly since a while. So interesting. Tutaona venye itakuwa on that one again. So Mewai,
Kidogo tu. So yeah, expect some new faces, some new teams in the EPL next season, guys.
manze, also we expect some brilliant signings for all the teams. So we'll definitely be following up closely, very closely on the transfers. Fabrizio will be our friend, and also some more and more transfer blogs, vlogs, websites. Tutakuwa kule, guys, tukichambua who is going where.
Bana, najua busy time for him, inakuanga news dropping kila siku, so expect some shows.
Yeah, gang. So umeipata?
So Hull City ndio inakaa Hull, Ipswich na Coventry.
That's what's up, gang. The tiger, the leopard is back to hunt, manze. We'll see some Hull City action, Ipswich, Coventry. Alafu tutakuwa tuna hao wengine West Ham, Burnley na Wolves going for relegation. So fair is fair.
Fair is fair. So West Ham na Burnley, Wolves, they get a chance to come back again next season. So hiyo ingine sasa. So all the best of luck to West Ham, Wolves and Burnley. Tunajua tutaona soon. Sana West Ham itarudi soon. Very soon.
Unless watafuta nini unajua. Juno anaweza bring them back much bigger, of course, na better in terms of technicality.
Bana, alafu pia wasiuze yani wasee sana. Ama
Wolves itafute Nuno tena. Wamrudishe arudishe team.
Wakimfukuza wakifutwa.
Bana, West Ham will take advantage. Yeah. So that's what's up, gang. So majorly is on the major news we are definitely to tell you all, gang. So if you are on the chat, you can tell us what is left. What else possibly should we have talked about, guys? Because tunataka to make sure that this one is a final one, guys, for the EPL. A special event pia, a special day for Arsenal too. One more time, wacha tuwapatie.
Champion
is your current champion. So champions versus PSG. So champions UCL, champion EPL.
Head to head. The best attack versus the best defense.
It's gonna be some. Alafu, as we are preparing, you all know what it is. We have some World Cup action coming on, guys. In like 3 weeks, utakuwa unaona major colors for different nations, guys. 104 fixtures, 48 teams.
What of a month of a tournament?
There is no sleep for football fans.
More than 30 days tournament.
Mikono kwenye kichwa. It's gonna be some, gang. Itakuwa major ile. Yeah, so say hi on the chat, guys, as we are signing out, and we'll be definitely saying hi back. So this one is the last one, guys. Yeah, EPL round week 38, manze. Damn it. Tatuwekea Arsenal the flowers they deserve. So these are the champions. You all know what it is, manze. Last EP for the EPL.
Last EP. So shout out to Madueke and na Jesus for winning the fixture for Arsenal.
Manze, Arsenal ana clock 85 points. Damn.
He balance fit.
Crazy. 7 points clear at the top of the table. Pia how the champion should be doing. So hii role nakataa kustick. So that's what's up, manze. Madueke sijui anafanyia nani? Ni Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Anasahau kwenye wamemtoa. Si hao ndo walimtoa kwenye walimtoa. It's crazy, guy. So big shout out to Madueke and Arsenal, guys. Saka, definite celebrations from him and the players, guys. So a major event, guys, for the North Londoners, guys. This is definitely a day they will definitely be remembering forever. Yeah, let's see them cook some more and more football, guys, in the Champions League final. Au sio, tumpatie Gunners pia. Tuseme one more time, manze. Arteta the great.
Bana Arteta. What a season. So 85 points for the Arsenal. Hopefully next season they aim for the 90 whatever. Arteta tutaona the bar
Arteta's book. It's about to light people. So as we sign out, guys, say hi on the chat. Yeah, and we'll definitely be saying hi back, guys. Naona hapa Napoli anacheza na Udinese.
Yeah, shout out to Mathias for saying hi to you too.
Did you enjoy the last round of the Premier League? Matthias, who are you supporting, gang? Tell us in the chat.
Arsenal are champions.
Let's go, Gunners.
Trophies either sijui kama watatupostia mtandao.
Aye.
Watanini tu mambo yao.
Jua leo msiokaa man, leo niko sure atakuwa ameniandikia list ya mablanda nimedu.
The champions.
Bana, pengine ni just ja win, but it's fine Musioka. Don't worry man, I got you. So Musioka nampigia hapa mambo yetu, guys. So Napoli Serie A inaendelea, guys. As we wind up and we sign out, guys, don't forget to support, guys. Click that red button, the blue one, the green one, guys. Let's support, let's subscribe, let's be part of the squad. Yeah, gang, let's keep building and building together again. So naona hapa ni kama kipindi yetu itakuwa imekatika for the round week 38. Let's see kama tutakuwa tuna prepare to watch some else and enjoy some more football with you all, gang. For now, me na feeling kama I'm out, and thank you very much, gang. Take care of yourselves. Yeah, and watch some more football. Make sure you watch some football, gang.
Bana, tukingojanga the final Arsenal game, at least tuko na Champions League final.
Bana, 2 to 3 finals, guys, coming through in a few.
Shout out to the Gunners, shout out to Felista. A special one for Felista and the champion.
Sao kupiga jezi Felista. Wear it with pride like our producer Motiesia. Sioka anapiganga hii Kadela people. Anasema 22 days.
Baya, come on you guys. So yeah, what a season for Gunners. Tunangoja saa tupostie the trophy picks juu unfortunately hiyo game yao haikuwa Emirates. Saa kuna nini?
Bana, watu lazima wa travel again.
Hiyo watafika saa ngapi? Watu wa media ni kama wajisikii kungoja.
Bana, it's crazy. But preparations definitely happening in North London. So head there, Arsenal, if you're physically in the UK, London, pia. If you are not physically there, guys, zoom in on them, guys. Watch socials, angalia Arsenal TV. I'm sure it will be a major event right there, gang. Au sio? Yeah, gang. So that's what's up. Sisi tunawacha na kusema thank you por favor. Enjoy yourself, manze. Gracias. We appreciate everything, guys. We appreciate life and all the amazing company that we get here, again. So we are out for now. Peace out. Don't forget to say hi as you're leaving and signing out, guys. Kufinya hii stream ending doesn't mean we are out, guys. Nasikia audio iko neat kama jana.
We are still in the stream, guys. Yeah, shukran to everyone watching. Asanteni. Thank you.
Thank you, por favor.
Thank you, guys. Shout out to everyone in the chat.
Naona red card inashuka to the manager. Udinese.
VR nani alikuwa
na ilikuwa VR. So ni umeona amekula kadi.
Manager pia
Kabasele. So manager amepewa. Nimeona the switch up imeenda directly from a red card referee to scene naonesha manager akireact. Yeah, gang. So that's what's up. Tunaona red card to Udinese, looking like a clean win now for Napoli. Yeah, guys, enjoy yourselves, manze. So we are signing out on this one, wherever you're watching us from, manze. We appreciate y'all. Yeah, gang, go watch the Napoli Udinese fixture. You might feel